Hi. So today I'm going to share 5 steps that helps you heal or 5 steps that can help you. Now in what condition? So who is this video for or what I'm going to help you with in this video. So it's for us when we are very much obsessed with negative thoughts or when we have this habit of getting consumed in our negative thoughts. मतलब बहुत बार जो negative thoughts होते हैं हम we end up spending our entire day for that believing into that thought and spiraling into that thought, overthinking, और as a result हमारा पूरा दिन उसमें चला जाता है, energy drain होती है, we keep thinking about a negative thought, we keep spiraling over old memories which actually ends up bringing us pain, we end up feeling bad, low mood, all of those things. So now before I would like to mention that these 5 steps is from no one but a very big figure in the mental health industry by Gabor Mate. So I recently attended a free masterclass by Gabor Mate and other big figures in the mental health space, and this is one thing that he gave us in the last class, which was 5 steps to help or 5 steps to heal. So this is what we're going to discuss here, and so here we're basically going to find out that what can we do from our end to help ourselves, like in this condition. Suppose we have this habit of getting consumed in a negative thought when we already have a lot of limiting beliefs. मतलब हमारे अंदर ऑलरेडी बहुत ही limiting beliefs that make us feel small as a person already है, and because of that we often find ourselves consumed in those thoughts, and we often find that कि हमारा पूरा दिन कभी कभी उसमें चला जाता है. कुछ external trigger होता है which actually triggers our limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough, I'm incapable, I'm unworthy, or as a result of that because we are not able to control it, because we have no awareness of what to do in this situation. एक thought it attracts other more such thoughts, that is एक thoughts हमारी old memories stir up करती हैं. we end up living these old memories जो हमें और pain और low mood ये सब, और मतलब it keeps bringing us even more pain. as a result हमारा पूरा दिन उसमें चला आता है, energy drain होती है, mood low रहता है, and all of those things. So it's a big waste of energy, I would say, not even time, big waste of energy for us. हमारी पूरी एनर्जी इस नेगेटिव थॉट और इन नेगेटिव मेमोरीज को ही रिलीव करने में चली जा रही है. सो हियर एंड दिस इज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू, बिकॉज इफ यू थिंक नेगेटिवली, इफ आवर फोकस इज ऑन नेगेटिव स्टफ, वी आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू लिव द पेन. वी आर एक्चुअली inviting or calling us more calling out more negative stuff for ourselves. So in this video I'm just going to share the 5 steps that he shared in the masterclass, and I'm going to explain how we can actually do it. So let's understand the scenario. Suppose this is us, all right, this is we, एंड हमारे वर्क में कुछ हुआ है. सपोज आर परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट गुड, हमारा जो परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट था वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ, या फिर आई मेड अ मिस्टेक एट माई वर्क. प्रेजेंटेशन के ड्यूरेशन में मैंने कुछ फंबल कर लिया, अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ मेरा. सपोज मेरे को एक फीडबैक मिला जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं मिला. तो नाउ मेरा एक थॉट ट्रिगर होगा दैट आई एम इनकेपेबल एंड आई एम अनवर्दी. तो ये थॉट सिर्फ यहाँ तक नहीं रहेगा. द मोमेंट वी थिंक अबाउट इट एंड द मोमेंट वी चूज टू spend more time on this thought, more time feeling this thing that okay, I'm incapable, I am unworthy, I'm not good enough. इससे क्या होगा, ये और ऐसे थॉट्स लेकर आएगा. मतलब हमारी ओल्ड मेमोरीज स्टर अप होंगे कि हाँ एक बार ऐसे मैंने फिर से किया, मेरी लाइफ में तो बस यही है, मैं कितनी बार मैंने ये गलती की है, आई एम नेवर एबल टू स्पीक सो गुड, बाकियों को देखो, मतलब और मोर सच थॉट्स विल कम इन योर लाइफ, विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इन योर माइंड. ना एज रिजल्ट क्या होगा, एक तो हमारा मूड लो हो जाएगा, राइट, और हम उसके अंदर और चले जाते रहेंगे. आई मीन देयर इज नो एंड टू इट, वी कीप गोइंग डीपर इन टू इट. तो हमारा एक डायरेक्शन में हमारे थॉट गया एंड देन वी कीप गोइंग इन टू दैट डायरेक्शन. मतलब वन नेगेटिव थॉट इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग यू फॉलोइंग अप मोर नेगेटिव थॉट्स. अब ये हेल्प नहीं करता है बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू वेस्ट योर एनर्जी. अब आप ना प्रोडक्टिव हो सकते हो, ना आप काम कर सकते हो, ना कुछ, आपका ध्यान नहीं लगेगा बिकॉज आपकी एनर्जी यहीं जा रही है. तो वॉट डू वी डू इन दैट सिनेरियो? फर्स्ट, लेबल थॉट एज अ थॉट. हियर कम्स द पार्ट ऑफ अवेयरनेस. यहाँ पे हमें अवेयर होना है. ऑफन टाइम्स क्या होता है, we believe into everything that our mind brings to us. We believe everything that we think. Here you have to become aware that okay, thought is a thought. So to practice it, to actually see our thought only as a thought, we label it. We label our thought as a thought, and we do it either verbally or externally. We try to bring our thought out of our mind so that we can see it, that okay, it's a thought, it's not me. Thought and me are separate. अभी तक क्या हो रहा है, वी बिलीव एवरीथिंग दैट आवर माइंड गिव्स अस. अगर मेरे माइंड ने मुझे बोला एंड ये बाय डिफॉल्ट हो रहा है दैट आई एम इनकेपेबल, आई एम अनवर्दी, सो आई एम गोइंग टू बिलीव इन टू इट ब्लाइंडली. बट यहाँ पे क्या होगा, आई एम गोइंग टू लेबल माई थॉट एज अ थॉट. दिस इज अ थॉट, दिस हैज कम टू मी एज अ थॉट. So here what happens, we label. And how does this help? It helps us see that okay, this is a thought, and what is the thought? We label that okay, I think that I'm incapable and worthy, and this is a thought, this is not true. So we tell ourselves externally, we bring up another voice, and that is what healing is all about. You know, healing में होता क्या exactly? When we need healing, what is actually happening is कि we have no control, or we have no control over our thoughts. हमारे thoughts हमेशा negative lane में जाते हैं. It makes us our thoughts are always self destructive. It is always negative self talk that is happening, self criticism that is happening. Healing is about interrupting, stopping that negative self talk and bringing up another voice. Healing is about talking to those negative self talk. So that is what we are trying to do here. We are, instead of believing into our thought as it is and just buying into it, playing with it, going deeper into it, okay, bring me more such bad memories, make me believe into it even more, give me more proof that okay, I am unworthy. 7 साल पहले भी कुछ हुआ था, that means I am unworthy. So instead of doing this जो अभी हो रहा है, what do? We label a thought as a thought. We either speak it out verbally, or we write it down. Why? To make ourselves believe, to make ourselves see that I am not my thought, this is just a thought. And so we write, okay, the belief that I am incapable, I am unworthy is a thought. It's not true. It is a thought. It is an opinion that is coming from me. That is okay. I accept that. But it is a thought. So that is what we do in the first step. All right. Always. So it's a way. It's a step, or it's a method to separate ourselves from our thought. Now, second, what we do, we reattribute. That is, we go to the source. Every thought that comes up has a source. Nothing is created from nowhere, right? Nothing is created from nowhere. So here we go to the source of our thought. So if there's a thought that okay, I am incapable, I am unworthy, now we know that okay, this is a thought. So we investigate, we become even more curious that okay, where did this thought come from? What made me believe into this? And ये बिल्कुल fresh thought नहीं है, ये बहुत ही this thought has a foundation in your system, in your body. And the more we believe into it blindly, the more we do not label it as okay, ये thought है, the more we attach ourselves with it, or the more we define ourselves with it, इसका foundation उतना ही strong होते रहता है. So ये healing method है, the moment we label it as a thought, वो foundation weak होने लगता है. So कोई भी belief ना हम एक दिन में या फिर एक switch में नहीं demolish करते हैं. Belief इसलिए टाइम लगती है टू चूज अ न्यू बिलीफ और टू ट्रांसफॉर्म, टू हील. इट टेक्स टाइम बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट डिमोलिशिंग ओल्ड बिलीव्स एंड ब्रिंगिंग अप न्यू बिलीव्स दैट आर हेल्पफुल. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट गोइंग टू द सोर्स, इट्स अबाउट, जैसे ये मैंने बोला ना कि एक फाउंडेशन होता है, ये एक नया बिलीफ नहीं है जो आके ऐसे बैठ गया, इसका एक पूरा फाउंडेशन है आपके बॉडी में, आपके सिस्टम में. सो हियर वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दैट ओके, व्हाट लेड टू द क्रिएशन ऑफ द फाउंडेशन ऑफ दिस बिलीफ विच इज अनहेल्पफुल, विच इज सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव फॉर मी. So here we try to go to the source. We question ourselves, okay, what made me believe that I'm incapable and I'm unworthy the first time? Can I recall when was the first moment that I felt this way? Because the truth is, nobody was born feeling such negative thoughts about themselves. We all were born whole, complete and perfect just as we are. We are perfection in creation. So something happened that made me believe this way, right? So it's about going to the source. And I'm not saying that you need to do this on your own. That is why you do inner work. That is why you can require help. But this is the second step that we do. First, we have understood that okay, this is a thought. Second, we try to go to the base of that foundation. That okay, what led me to believe into this? What is my earliest memory attached or related with this belief? This is a part of inner work. It's about seeing your thought as a thought and then becoming curious about that thought. This is what processing a thought is, which is what inner work is. Okay, so in the second step, which is reattribute, we go to the source. Now third, and the more we do these things, the more we are actually separating ourselves from these thoughts. We may not realize it, but that is what happens. Our brain starts to see that okay, something that I have been attaching myself with for so long, with so strongly, it is actually just a thought. And it has its starting point. This is what processing is all about. Third step is refocus. That is finding some other focus for 5 minutes. So let's suppose we are in this moment. हमारे ऑफिस में कुछ हुआ, हमारी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं थी, वी फंबल्ड, हमारा जो प्रेजेंटेशन था वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ, उससे हमें थोड़ा फीडबैक मिला, वी सॉ पीपल्स फेस, इतना अच्छा नहीं था, एवरीबडी वाज क्वेश्चनिंग अस, उससे मेरा एक थॉट ट्रिगर हुआ, आई एम इनकेपेबल, आई एम अनवर्दी, और बस आई एम ऑल अबाउट टू गो इनटू दैट स्टफ, और टू स्टार्ट दैट लूप, जहाँ पे एक ये थॉट मेरी ओल्ड मेमोरीज आएगा, विच इज इवेंचुअली गोइंग टू मेक मी बिलीव दैट हाँ ये सही है, आई एम इनकेपेबल, आई एम अनवर्दी. बट if I'm aware of these 5 steps, what will I do? I will refocus, that I will find some other focus for next 5 minutes. यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं ना, see it's all about focusing, it's all about what we focus on. अभी हमारा फोकस किस पे है इस सिचुएशन में, दिस, अभी हमारा फोकस यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया, और ये कहाँ से आया, ये हमारे एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड से आया, वी एक्सेप्ट दैट, ऑलराइट, ये आया, और अभी वी आर अबाउट टू गो टू वी आर अबाउट टू डाइव डीपर इनटू दिस होल नेगेटिव थिंग, होने ही वाला है. बट यहाँ पर इफ आई एम अवेयर of thought, or I am aware, okay, how thoughts work, how it can trick me into into choosing my own energy drain, choosing my own negative stuff. If I'm aware, I can actually, instead of focusing on this, I can choose to focus on some other thing, anything. It does not have to be necessarily about work, कि मैं work में कितना अच्छा हूँ. No, you choose a different thought here. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी थॉट्स चूज कर सकते हो, एनी टाइम इन लाइफ दैट मेक्स यू फील बेटर, नॉट गुड, बेटर दैन दिस. हमें मतलब कोई भी एक ऐसा थॉट चूज करना है जो हमें इससे बेहतर महसूस कराए, और वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, इट कैन बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. सो इट्स अबाउट रीफोकसिंग. आप यहाँ से हटके अपना ध्यान यहाँ पर लाते हो. एनीथिंग दैट मेक्स यू फील गुड और बेटर, मतलब बेटर देन बिफोर. सो हियर वी चूज अ बेटर फीलिंग थॉट. And it does take strength. I'm not going to lie. It takes strength to go from this to this. Because अभी हमारे सिस्टम में क्या स्ट्रॉन्ग है, हमारे ब्रेन में जो ये वाला सर्किट है ना, यहाँ पे जो ऐसे किक करता है, वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. बट हीलिंग इज अबाउट चूजिंग डिफरेंट. हम अपने ब्रेन को आदत देते हैं कि हम ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं, वी ट्राई टू थिंक डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे यू कैन रिकॉल एनी मेमोरी फ्रॉम पास्ट, यू कैन पिक एनी थॉट कि अच्छा कल ये हुआ था या फिर ये हुआ था, विच एवर यू लाइक. इफ your pet, if you have a pet, or if looking at animals, or if you have some memories that make you feel smile, you go that lane, you try to think those things. So it's about cutting ties with this and choosing to go this way. All right. And why? Because it's all about thought. The moment you choose to cut off from this thought and think better, you will feel better. और ये thoughts आपके पास और वैसे thoughts लेकर आएंगे. So it's about prioritizing your well-being. It's about choosing to feel better for your own self. All right. Because see, this is also thoughts. This is also a thought. Okay, so now after this third step where we refocus, and बस 5 मिनट के लिए भी अगर हम refocus करते हैं ना, तो we will actually feel the difference. We will see that okay, अगर मैं इस लेन में वर्कआउट किया होता मैंने, I would have been feeling so low, मेरा मूड कितना ऑफ होता, I would have felt so much drained, मेरी एनर्जी वहां चली आती. बट क्योंकि मैंने ये वाला पाथ चूज किया, I am feeling much better. I can actually focus on my work better. So the difference will be visible. Next step, which is the fourth step. Here we re-evaluate. We find out, okay, what is this belief actually bringing me? So अभी तक हमने क्या किया, अभी तक हमने अपने थॉट को एज अ थॉट देखा. सेकंड, वी री-एट्रीब्यूटेड, यानी we tried to go to the source. We tried to find the foundation of this thought, कि what led me to believe into this. So मतलब we have been trying to separate ourselves from our thought for this long. फिर हमने refocus भी सीखा that okay, if I am in this scenario, and if I have enough strength in me, I can choose to focus on some thought that actually feels better than this one. It does not have to be good. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल ही खुश या फिर जॉय नहीं फील करना है. You just have to find a thought that feels better than this. That okay, actually I did my best. Something as simple as that. That even though people didn't like my performance, I did my best, and I have improved. I know anything like that. Okay, now coming to fourth, we are going to re-evaluate. That is, अब हमारे पास अवेयरनेस है, सो वी आर मूविंग मोर टुवर्ड्स अवेयरनेस. सो हमने जो थॉट फाइंड किया था ना, थॉट बिलीफ, अब हम वी विल ट्राई टू सी दैट ओके, दिस थॉट, व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू, लाइक व्हाट इज दिस एक्चुअली ब्रिंगिंग इनटू माय लाइफ, इसकी वैल्यू क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस ब्रिंगिंग मी. सो इफ आई एम गिविंग माई एनर्जी टू दिस थॉट, इफ आई एम फोकसिंग सो मच ऑन दिस थॉट, व्हाट इज दिस ब्रिंगिंग टू मी इन रिटर्न, ये मुझे क्या दे रहा है. एंड इट्स ऑलवेज अ गिव एंड टेक. Whatever you give your energy to, it is going to give you something. तो यहाँ पर ये क्या देगा, it is either going to, because this is negative thought, it is either going to give you definitely some negative emotions which actually lead you to have depression, anger, shame, other such things. So here it's your job to evaluate that, okay, when I think this way, what it makes me feel, what is it. कभी कभी anger होगा, कभी shame होगा, that you feel so small in yourself. Sometimes it's anger, you are full of rage in yourself, you don't like it, you don't like anything in your life, you don't like how people behave with you. So you need here, so you evaluate the truth of this belief that ये मुझे, what is this bringing into my life, how is this adding value into my life. और इसकी जगह अगर कोई हम दूसरा थॉट सोचते हैं, सपोज इट इज आई एम केपेबल, आई एम वर्दी, you know what value it will be bringing into your life. It would bring similar value that is positive, like confidence. It would make you feel confident in yourself. It would make you feel love towards your own self, compassion for your own self, kindness for yourself and everybody. So every thought that you have, every belief that you have, it is bringing you something. So it is about realizing that. Okay, so now going to the fifth point, which is my favorite, it is recreate. Here it is about imagining a different life that we want to create. Now, so this is the best part, because it does not just ask you to focus your it does not just ask you to focus on something else, but it makes you intentionally think or imagine a life that you actually want to live. अब होता क्या, you know, when we are this person, when we have a lot of negative beliefs about our own selves, and you know, it is easy for us to buy into negative beliefs, to actually, you know, play out or to just dive deeper into my negative belief का जो loop है. When it's easier for us to do this, we are actually never thinking about what do we want. All we think about is how do I protect myself, how do I protect myself from this worst case scenario. So we are always thinking in the worst case scenario direction. We are never thinking about, you know, in any good stuff. So this is what happens. So now what does this last step help us do? It helps us recreate. That it helps us intentionally choose or to think about that, okay, what is it that I want? Because up until now मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, what is it that I do not want. तो मेरा focus कहाँ है? All the bad stuff, all the worst case scenarios. I'm thinking about, okay, what do I need to save myself from? So here it's kind of like survival mode that is on. And this is for all, this is true for all of us जिनमें ये negative thoughts, I mean dominant है, where, you know, most of our thoughts and feelings are negative. Alright, so यहाँ पे, and why is this my favorite step? Because it helps you realize, first of all, it helps you realize that there is possibility, there is possibility, there's potential. You have a way to a future that looks like the way you want it to look like. You do not have to always think about what can go wrong and how do I protect myself from that, which is the basis of these negative feelings, thoughts, dominant thoughts and everything. So what does recreate make you do? Instead of walking this lane, you start to think about a different world that also exists for you, where it's about what do you want, it's about what do you want. So here, instead of thinking in the negative terms, we think about positive terms. Here you focus on yourself, you sit with yourself, you find out, okay, what are my values, how do I want my life to be like. So you focus on you focus on possibilities, and there's power in possibility. Because अभी क्या होता है, जब हम नेगेटिव में ही बहुत ही when we have a bend towards negative thinking and patterns, हम सिर्फ इसी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. We are thinking about our future also in negative terms, कि ये ना हो जाए, अगर मैं किसी चीज़ पे काम कर रहा हूँ ना तो ये ना हो जाए, अगर मेरे को प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है ना तो मैं फंबल ना कर जाऊँ, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन गंदा ना चला जाए. सो ये फिफ्थ वाला है ना स्टेप, रिक्रिएट. इट जस्ट चेंजेस द होल स्क्रिप्ट, कि ये डर से कि ये अच्छा गंदा ना हो जाए, फेल ना हो जाए, यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि ये बिल्कुल अच्छा होगा, इट्स गोइंग टू बी परफेक्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू डू माई बेस्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू, यू नो, बिल्कुल सब कुछ बेहतर होगा. आई मीन यू आर गोइंग टू change the way you think. So that is, and it's my favorite. You know, our body is like a muscle. When we train it to think negatively, to plan out the worst case scenarios, to live the negative, to imagine the negatives that can happen in the future, it actually ends up bringing you those stuff. So we can also train the same body, but we can also train the same mind and body to think in this direction instead of that, which is where it is about what do I want, what good can happen to me, what is the possibility for me in future, what can my future look like. So here it is about what do you want. It is about believing that you have the power to choose what you want in your life. And सो इट्स अबाउट सेटिंग एन इंटेंशन. यहाँ पे आप इंटेंशनली अपना एक लाइफ इमेजिन करते हो, राइट? इट्स अबाउट intentions. That is the good part about it. So yes, this was it. These are the 5 steps to heal, or 5 steps that can help you when you are on the verge of just diving deeper into the whole negative stuff, negative thought pattern and everything. जब आप यहाँ पे आते हो, जब आप रियलाइज करते हो, जब आप, और आई विल नॉट से कि ये एक दिन में आप करने लग जाओगे या फिर एक दिन में आपको रिजल्ट दिखने लग जाएगा, बट इट हैपन स्टेप बाय स्टेप. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू लुक एट योर थॉट्स लाइक अ थॉट. You are not your thought. You have picked up these thoughts. When you came into this world, you were perfect, whole, and complete. But because you did not feel loved, you did not feel accepted, certain unhelpful, negative thoughts sit in your system. They find place in your system. And until you intervene, it keeps becoming stronger. इसका foundation strong होता रहता है until you become aware that this is a thought. It came into my system at one point in my life. You go to the source because you want to heal yourself, because you want to process this thought and let it go so that you can actually create the life you want. And this method is by Gabor Mate. Gabor Mate, he is a very big figure in this whole healing, or this whole healing industry. And when I learned about this method, I really found it very helpful, and not because of application, but this whole information felt so good. Just learning about this also feels very good without the application also. All right, so this is how inner work looks like. This is all about it. And if you want to do this inner work, you can join my WhatsApp community. I will put the link in the description. From there, if you want to have a coaching session with me, the first session is free. You can DM me session, or you can get more info in that group. All right, I'll keep it till here. Bye.